Hi everyone, in our today's video I am trying something really cool and for fun. In our today's video I have a experiment where we are going to apply a high voltage into two metal rods and create a plasma. It's a super cool physical phenomena that we will see today. Okay, all right. So air normally acts as an insulator and it doesn't allow electricity to pass through. So when we hit it with enough voltage or when we apply a high voltage, then the voltage will literally knock off the electrons in the air molecules and create plasma or allow electricity to conduct. So here, as you see, I have a microwave transformer, which is I'm going to use it to create a high voltage. This transformer normally creates a voltage or produce a voltage in the range of 2000 and 2500 volts. And here also I have two metal rods that made from copper. Here, the two rods, they are kind of far away from each other. Sometimes you might have seen this experiment somewhere else and the two rods are far away, but here in this case it's quite different to make. So let us go and see what's gonna happen when we apply or when we connect this transformer to the main electricity source. So as you have seen, this small space here allowed the applied voltage, to tear off electrons of the air molecules, and they collide with each other and then they create a tiny visible plasma arc that goes from here to here in this range. As I said before, if we have a vacuum, like free air vacuum chamber, so we will have a very large plasma arc will be created. So anyways, I'm gonna turn off the light and let us see it in the dark. Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this simple experiment here. I just want to make a small notice here that this kind of transformers is very dangerous. It produces a very high voltage. So it requires someone with a electrical knowledge to set up such experiment. So please don't try this at home and without monitoring from someone who's considered to be an expert in electricity. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.